Hey guys, so today we are installing some new lights on the F56, including new tail lights and new rear fog lights. So I'm really excited and let's get started. He said he's bringing Justin. Every time I drive it. Oh, look at that. How easy that didn't just slip on like I anticipated it to. So today we are putting in the rear fog lights on the F56. I'm super excited because they're going to match really well with the Union Jack tail lights. I've been holding off on doing these just because I think it's a little bit bigger of a project than what I thought it would be. I think you just have to drop the lower heat shielding. Not sure how many bolts that is, how long it's going to take, how much there is. I really haven't looked much into it, but I'm hoping that we can get it done before it starts raining here in Cali. Yeah, so I should stop talking and get to it so that I'm not stuck out in the rain. Alrighty, so there's these couple 8mm along here. Then it's really dark, you can't see very well, but up in this black piece up the top, I think it's a couple 12s. I haven't checked, but my guess would be 12s. We're gonna need to pull that out. Kind of same idea on the other side. There's some 8mm that are gonna need to be pulled as well. Alright, I was wrong. It was a 10. But, you know, same thing. The idea is, yeah. I don't even know what this covers.
I don't know.
Maybe the fuel tank. Be interested.
Yeah.
I hit my suspension back here though.
Cool.
Alrighty, so it was really easy, simply just pulling that black piece off, and then we can pull this clip out. Sorry, trying to do it one-handed, can't focus. And then squeezing this fog light out. Alright, so I'm going to squeeze this out off camera because I am weak and I can't seem to get it. Maybe. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was easy. Alrighty, so I'm following the same process of removing all the 8mm on this side of the car. Very simple, just pull them out. I'm pulling this one out just because I don't want to squeeze my hand in there, so I'm hoping this gives me a little extra leverage to move the bumper forward. And then I'm going to kind of squeeze my hand in there and undo the clip. That was pretty simple. Yep. Okay, super easy. Let's push the other side in. This in. Simple. Now we're just going to plug those clips back in. Okay, now we're just gonna go ahead and clip this back in. Sorry, one-handed doing this. This way. There we go. Alrighty, that should be good. I'm just gonna push it on to make sure that it's on this little piece, but I need both hands to do that, so hopefully you guys get the idea. Alright, so now we're just gonna follow the same process, but basically backwards, by putting in all the 8mm and then the couple 10 mils and putting everything back. Alrighty, so overall that wasn't nearly as bad as I thought it was going to be, so I'm really happy with that. It was pretty much just pulling a few bolts off and plugging in the new fog lights. So I'm really happy with that, and I'm really happy with how the back end of this car is looking. I think it looks really good. The coloring matches really well to the aftermarket Union Jack tail lights, so I will show you guys that real quick. And then otherwise that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.